Welcome to Greenhous DAF Telford. We are part of the Greenhous Group. We have various DAF dealers across the West Midlands at Willenhall, Birmingham, Tamworth and Shrewsbury. Our workshop is open 6 AM to 9:30 PM Monday to Friday, and we're open 7 AM to 11 AM on a Saturday morning. We have a parts department that is open 8 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday. We have 8 technicians that are working through various DAF level qualifications, and we have 3 apprentices that are at different stages of their apprenticeship in the workshop. We have an ITF lane and we test on Mondays and Thursdays from 8 AM to 3:30 PM. We also have an out of hours breakdown service called DAF Aid, where a data technician will come to your vehicle roadside to try and repair the fault.